Hi, welcome to another episode of West Coast Wallet Watchers. So today is Thursday, and that means we're going to go through all the rental ads and see what you can afford if you're thinking about moving to the Vancouver area. First up, we have Craigslist here, and the very first ad that pops up is a warning. Beware, studio apartment. So this has to be good. Be warned, landlords are very controlling/difficult, with absolutely no sense of privacy. You do not have keys as you are considered a roommate, and they will enter unannounced. They are conspiracy theorists regarding 5G and the new smart meter, and have chosen to have BC Hydro cut them off. So that's our utilities company. They have no utilities. The electricity and heat are now powered by an unreliable generator, leaving tenants often without the ability to cook, wash their clothes, or store food safely. Their previous tenant lived through the winter with no heat, sleeping in a parka, hat, and mittens. The generator is very loud and has made the property an enemy of the neighbors. I know it's cheap, but it's not worth it. So that's out, zooming out on the map. That's a nice area by UBC, so they're probably going after students there. But let's see what the cheapest apartment we can find. Well, first just for a room share. So it looks like if you're a girl, you can get this one in Surrey for $625. So that is not the nicest part of Surrey. It's pretty good, but actually, yeah, you know what? That's not the worst area of Surrey. So for $625 to get a bedroom, oh, is that 2 beds? Oh no, do you have to share a bedroom? Space available in 1-bedroom basement for girl. Fully furnished basement, all amenities included such as laundry, Wi-Fi, etc. Looking for a Punjabi girl. Oh, so this is $625 to share a bedroom with someone. Never mind, this is not a good deal. Must be clean and organized. Place is close to bus stop, grocery stores, convenience stores nearby, walking distance. But you have to share your room that close with another person. And as you can see, they've pretty well filled up the closet, so good luck getting any closet space there. Alright, on to the next one. Let's just try to find the cheapest room that we could rent if we're moving to Vancouver here. Looking for a new roommate, $660. What are the living conditions? Do you get your own bedroom? Hey, it looks like you get your own bedroom. This is on Main Street, so this is right downtown. Rent is $19.75, split 3 ways, so yeah, it looks like the cheapest room you can rent right now is $660, and that is not too bad at all. So it's a decent one, but you do have to share the room with share the place with 2 other roommates. And then that's even cheaper than the SRO, so single room occupancy. For those of you not familiar with Vancouver, this is our government's great idea of how to solve the homeless crisis. Our single room occupancies, because one rat infested place is not enough apparently, but here it is. Looks like a prison cell, pretty much is. I think you don't even get a bathroom, you have to share a bathroom with the floor, and a lot of times people moving into these places are recovering drug addicts, and they're just trying to get back on their feet, but then time and time again, and right across the hall, they have a drug dealer who's knocking on their door trying to push them to buy some of their supply. So I would avoid the single room occupancies. Alright, $750 shared apartment. Let's see what this one is. 1 private bedroom, shared bathroom, shared balcony and kitchen. This is in the heart of Surrey, so this isn't the best place, but for $750 you can get a 1-bedroom shared apartment in Surrey. I still think that Main Street one almost seems too good to be true. I'm wondering what else could be the reason for it being so cheap, unless they've just been renting this place for a very long time. That's my guess, is they've been renting it for a long time, so the rent hasn't been increased. So, wow, this is actually really good. It's in North Surrey, so not the nicest part of town, but you get your own bachelor single occupancy for $800. So there you go, that's the cheapest one. Now let's just take a moment here and find the one bedroom. Here. Bedrooms 1. Apply. So they're all still showing basically the same ones. So $850. One private bedroom. It's in Burnaby, Vancouver. Yeah, maybe south. Is that Vancouver? Oh yeah, Nanaimo. Okay, so that's Vancouver. So looking at the place, that's not too bad for $850. You still have to, share with a roommate, but, yeah. One bedroom unit. And shared laundry. So this is your own private basement suite by the look of it, which is a pretty good deal. I personally live in a basement suite, and I much prefer that. I find the place is better taken care of than if you were to go renting through one of the big rental agencies who are just, we tend to call them slumlords out here. Because all they care about is collecting the rent, and nothing really ever gets fixed, and you end up living in just this rotting hole. Like my other places. So that's not too bad. What else do we have here? Let's see if we can find just a single... Oh, let's take a look at 2 bedrooms now. So looking for a 2-bedroom that you could rent just for yourself. So these are all shared. There's no way you're getting one. Roommates wanted. Shared apartment. 2-bed, 1-bath apartment, $1,500. This is in Surrey. But it looks like you get a 2-bedroom apartment all to yourself. Looks fairly new. Minimum 1-year lease. So that's not too bad. I mean, you'd be pretty far away from work if you're working in Vancouver, but with remote work being so popular, that's pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to switch these filters so we can maybe just get a little closer to the downtown core. Because not a lot of people. Well, I guess if you are moving to Vancouver, a lot of people do end up living in Surrey, just because it is a little bit more affordable than living right near the downtown core. We're kind of only interested, if we want to live somewhere kind of close to where we work. So I want to kind of encompass it to here. A lot of people do have to come into work into an office space somewhere in this area. So generally this is kind of the area they want to live. So let's choose this location. Perfect. Okay. What do we have next here? We got 3-bed, 1-bath shared apartment. So $1,000. This is up in northern Burnaby. Looking at it, looks pretty nice. Room for sublet rent in North Burnaby near SFU, and 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment shared by 2 young women in their early 20s. You would have your own furnished spacious bedroom with large closet, microwave, mini fridge, TV. Rent is $1,000 a month and includes utilities. So that is pretty good for the area. You do have to deal with roommates, but you can move into a bedroom for fairly affordable. 5-bedroom, 6 beds, newly renovated basement suite. Wow. So this is the whole house they're renting here, and you get the basement suite for $1,000. Obviously shared. I don't think you get this whole thing to yourself, but maybe. Room for individual, ideally for 4 to 6 students to rent together. Total discount for $3,900 per month. I don't really understand how this math works. They say $1,000 per room for an individual, or you can rent together, or you rent the whole thing for $3,900 a month. So that's okay, I get it. So that's not the greatest, since you can't necessarily pick your roommates unless you can get 4 or 5 people together. What else do we got here? Good for 2-person, July 1st, $1,600. So we're looking at a 2-person, July 1st. Whole house, good for group or students or family. Right now, one Japanese guy is renting the 1-bedroom, so you're still going to be sharing. The total rent is $3,600. So yeah, you will. So there's one bedroom rented out of the 3, and this landlord is obviously the one who just manages the rents, and they find whoever they can get to rent it, and I guess that's what they do. Private, quiet 2-bedroom, 1,700. South Burnaby. So for $1,700, you can get 2-bedroom, 936 square foot, private, quiet 2-bed, 1-bath den, garden suite, unfurnished. So looking at it, it's not too bad, pretty spacious, and it looks like it is your own private. Yeah, it's your own private suite, which is quite nice. So prices do seem to be coming down slightly. Oh wow, what was with that laundry room? My God. So this is probably a basement suite in a bigger house where you have to share your laundry with the upstairs tenants. So we got the up next is the 2-bedroom. This is in South, so 178 Knight Street, South Vancouver. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a unit of 600 square feet on Knight Street is conveniently within walking distance. 600 square feet is pretty small for a 2-bedroom. I guess it works. Parking on street, coin operated, shared laundry. So you're going to be sharing laundry with the rest of this building by the look of it. $1,800 you can get a 2-bedroom, so that's not too bad. Let's say we want something that looks a little bit nicer. Let's go up to so for $2,000 you can start getting some nicer looking ones here. This one's pretty nice. 600, still small, 650 square feet. Oh, it's like a quadplex by the look of it. Looks newly renovated though, at least. 800 square feet, internet included. Washer and dryer are in unit. That's a big bonus for me. Alright, let's see what else. Metro Town, 2-bedroom, 2,100. Okay, I think that's enough for this week, but yeah, you can just get a general grasp of what the rental market's doing. You're going to have a very hard time getting into something that's less than, $1,000 a month just to rent a bedroom out here. And then if you want your own space, you're looking around $1,700 to $1,800. If you want something that's, a little more modern, that's going to be $2,000 plus. So it's not cheap, but, it's a little better than I was expecting for this first episode tracking it. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next episode. Thanks. Bye now.